Hello and welcome to my video all about how to knit 1/1 cables. These are formed simply by crossing one stitch over another stitch. In this quick demo I'll be showing you how to knit the left cross, the left purl cross, the right cross and the right purl cross. I tend to use a cable needle for every cable, but these cables are so narrow that you could choose not to use a cable needle and just use your knitting needles instead. Okay, so all I've done so far is just knit some stockinette stitch surrounded by a border of garter stitch. I'm just going to knit a few stitches before I show you the 1/1 left cross, which is abbreviated to 1/1 LC. Okay, so first I slip one stitch onto the short end of my cable needle, purlwise. And I leave the cable needle at the front. I then knit one stitch, and then I knit the stitch from the cable needle. And that's all there is to a 1/1 left cross. This cable can also be referred to as a C2F. Next I'm going to do a 1/1 right cross, so a 1/1 RC. First I slip a stitch purlwise onto my cable needle, and I keep the cable needle at the back, behind the needles. I then knit one from the left hand needle, and then knit the stitch from the cable needle. All you're doing is swapping the position of two stitches. This cable can also be referred to as a C2B. And you can see why that's called a right cross, because it's leaning to the right. I'm now going to do a 1/1 left purl cross, which involves crossing a knit stitch over a purl stitch. So I slip one stitch from the left hand needle to the cable needle, purlwise, and leave the cable needle at the front. I then bring the working yarn to the front and purl one. Then I take the working yarn to the back of the needles again and knit the stitch from the cable needle. And that's a 1/1 LPC. Now I'm going to do a 1/1 RPC, or in other words, a 1/1 right purl cross. To do this, I slip a stitch purlwise from the left hand needle to the cable needle, and I leave the cable needle at the back, behind the needles. I then knit one, then bring the working yarn forwards between the needles and purl the stitch off the cable needle. And that's how you do a 1/1 RPC. And that's it. As you can see, these cables are very easy to do, and I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching.